Lemko Language Lessons, Lesson 7 Supplemental, Demonstrative Pronouns, Adjectives, and Possessive Pronouns in the Accusative Case. Demonstrative Pronouns in the Accusative Case. Tota becomes toto, toto. Tamta becomes tamto, tamto. Tot, toto, toto, tamtot, tamto, tamte, and to all follow the following two rules. If the noun is not a person or an animal, the accusative case of the demonstrative pronouns is the same as the nominative case. However, if the noun is a person or an animal, the accusative case demonstrative pronouns is the same as the genitive case. Adjectives in the accusative case. Next, we will learn the accusative case of adjectives that we've learned in the previous lesson. Hardej, dobrej, syniej, and tichej. Like the demonstrative pronouns before, nouns that are masculine, neuter, or plural follow the following two rules in the accusative case. If the noun is not a person or an animal, the accusative case form of the adjective is the same as the nominative case. Conversely, if the noun is a person or an animal, the accusative case form of the adjective is the same as the genitive. Next, we will look at the feminine nouns, adjectives in the accusative case. Hardo, hardo. Dobro, dobro. Synjo, synjo. Tycho, tycho. Possessive pronouns in the accusative case. Let's learn how to say the different possessive pronouns in the accusative case. Like the demonstrative pronouns and adjectives, possessive pronouns that refer to masculine, neuter, and plural nouns follow these two rules in the accusative case. First, if the noun is not a person or an animal, the possessive pronoun in the accusative case is the same as in the nominative case. Second, if the noun is a person or an animal, the possessive pronoun in the accusative case is the same as in the genitive case. Next, we will look at the possessive pronouns in the accusative case for feminine nouns. My is moju, moju. Your singular is twoju, twoju. His is jeho, jeho. Her is jej, jej. Its is jeho, jeho. Our is naszu, naszu. Your plural or your formal is waszu, waszu. There is ich, ich. This concludes Lesson 7 Supplemental.